Garage clutter driving you crazy but can't get started? We've got a solution to help reclaim your garage fast. Introducing Armadillo Storage Solutions, the most innovative storage system available today. Let's prove it to you. Meet Kurt. He's been a professional carpenter for more than 20 years. This is Adam. He's a high school student and not very handy. Adam will assemble the Armadillo dual-door cabinet just using his hands. Kurt will construct a well-known brand's tall gearbox using a power drill and other tools. Both brands are very similar in size and durability. Armadillo, however, assembles in minutes without complicated instructions. Notice the pile of parts and pieces that Kurt has to sort through. The Armadillo unit comes almost pre-assembled right out of the box. Let's see how Adam does against a professional carpenter like Kurt. Keep your eye on the clock. Adam is finished. Looks like Kurt is just getting started. Let's check back in on him shortly. Armadillo Storage Solutions is the most innovative storage system available today. Spend less time assembling and more time organizing. Armadillo products are constructed from heavy-gauge steel. Rigorously tested, Armadillo shelves can hold up to 150 pounds each. Armadillo Storage Solutions offers the most flexibility. Mix and match units to fit any room. Choose from different door styles to fit your design needs. Unlike the known national brands, Armadillo products are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Kurt is finally done. It took a professional carpenter more than 1 hour using a number of tools. Why break your back or sacrifice a weekend? Armadillo assembles in minutes and lasts a lifetime, guaranteed. Visit armadillotough.com for more information or a retailer near you.